my world, I don't worry, darling. I just smile, 'cause you're by my side.
I also really didn't like the normal iPad protector because the fingerprints on it was really bad.
And I see it in yours too. So now I sing to you. And when you go and leave me here all alone, I'll be waiting. I can't make it because I know that after all this time, you'll read between these lines.
I'll be today showing you my journal making with the Paperlike type of screen protector, and you can already see that when I'm filming right now there's no reflection, and also the texture is really different. Like when you're touching, you can hear it from the sound.
Reminiscing on the time when we first met, I was tongue-tied, stupefied. What was it that I said? Probably something foolish that didn't make much sense, but you remembered a year later when I saw you next. When I told you that I need to hold you. Cherish all your life, and after all this time, feeling fine, 'cause you said this is all you want. No more playing, waiting, are you mine? I know you feel the same as I do. No more playing, you were turning me up and you were turning me on. You woke me up at the break of dawn. I told you, baby, I'm so far away, but I was sneaking out and I was sneaking in back into your room again. Oh, honey, please, can't you see what I see? In my world, I don't worry, darling. I just smile, 'cause you're by my side. Now your eyes open up every morning to the love that shines in mine. And I see it in yours too. So now I sing to you. And when you go, leave me here all alone. I'll be waiting, I can't make it, 'cause I know that after same as I do. No more playing, wishing, waiting. I was taking, baby. Reminiscing on the time when we first met. I was tongue-tied, simplified. What was it that I said? Probably something foolish that didn't make much sense. But you remembered a year later when I saw you next. When I told you that I need to hold you, you said come right on over.
Yesterday I received a letter from Stickyricesisters, which is a brand that is selling stickers and cards in America. I'm not sure if they're doing it international. But then I did some digital stickers for them and also one sticker sheet for them to print. And I think that's why they sent me a letter. So I waited until today to open it with you guys. Some stickers they made, and it's really good quality. And a card. And these are the stickers I had designed for them. They're selling them on Etsy if you want to see them. And I'll also link down their website, their Instagram for you to see. Thank you, Stickyricesisters, for sending me these.
I cherish all your lines, and after all this time, feeling fine, 'cause you said this is all you want. No more playing, waiting, call you mine. I know you feel the same as I do. No more playing, wishing, waiting. I was taking, baby. You were turning me up and you were turning me on. You woke me up at the break of dawn. I told you, baby, I'm so far gone, but I was sneaking out and I was sneaking in.